Hey you guys, this is Binky Watkins. I'm here in Rice Military. I'm about to go to a broker open house and let's see what it has to offer. It is 1214 Malone Street, 1214 Malone Street. I hate how these houses have mystery entrances that you have to find, LOL.
You like what's that?
I love the pool back here.
Isn't it lovely? I know, it's got sprinklers and stuff.
Let's check out this pool. Sorry, did I get in your shot? This is so pretty.
It is very pretty. You didn't do it.
Not, this isn't my stuff, no.
Alright, we're gonna go up the stairs, check out what this has to offer. Sorry. Sorry. Alright. Closet with all their security, apparently. Here's their bedroom number one. Ooh, it's a Jack and Jill situation. It's got some old school granite. They have this staged as an office, but obviously it's their bedroom. Another bedroom. Check out down the hall. Laundry, which goes into the primary closet. How much do you love that? Which goes into the primary bathroom. Also, love his and her sinks. Again, it's kind of like an Italian cottage feel, isn't it? It's got a lot of storage in the water closet. And then here is the primary. It's actually really big. It doesn't show on the camera as big as it is. Love the floors. The bathroom's a little old school for me, but I still like it. It's dated in a timeless way, if that makes sense, right? Love the plantation shutters. It's got a tray ceiling, again, dated in a timeless way. And there's a third floor. Must be an outdoor space. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. More stairs. The old lady can't do the stairs, so this is a young person's house, LOL, or a fit person. Hey, how are you?
Good.
Sorry.
No, I just had knee surgery, so I'm gonna be slower.
I have, oh, it's a theater. I'm in your way still? Oh my God, I love it. Again, timeless in an old school way. Love this, got a little dry bar. I love, love, love it. It's got a bathroom up here. Just a little water closet. Oh my gosh, how much do you love this? And then there's a back patio.
The exact time that I'm looking down. Okay, sounds good.
And then there's some sort of other outdoor space. Let's go check it out. All right. Oh, it's so cute. It really is. This is Beautiful. Tons of outdoor space. Again, it's kind of got that Italian villa vibe, which I don't hate. It's very luxurious for sure.